Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and I've got a knife to give away. Actually, I've got a really nice knife to give away. Really excited about that. 2020 was awful. Absolutely an awful year. My channel grew a ton. And honestly, creating content is a way for me to sort of power through the, in the case of 2020, just powering through 2020. I honestly escaped into this channel, and a lot of you guys who've been watching and interacting with me have told me that my content is part of how you guys kind of power through that stuff. And so that's great. I can't tell you how happy that makes me. The relationship, that I built with a lot of you guys has just been excellent. And this is a way to say thank you. So believe me when I say I'd love to buy all of you a knife. I can't do that financially. It's not possible. But I did spend some money and get a really nice knife. And I can promise that, it is my hope that I can make at least one person's day a little bit better as we transition into 2021. Before we go any further, if you've never been a part of one of my channel giveaways before, there are some rules. First off, you have to be at least 18 years of age to enter. You have to, no exceptions. Second, you have to be able to provide me with a shipping address inside the continental United States. You don't have to live in the United States. I just need a shipping address that I can ship to first. So if you live outside of the US and you've got a friend, a family member, somebody from the knife community that you trust that I can ship to first, and then they can get it to you. That's how we're going to do that. That's how I've always done it. So we're just going to keep going that way. But that way, everybody can enter. How do you enter? How do you enter to win? Well, a good start would be to subscribe, because you're not going to want to miss the video where I announce the winner. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe. There's a link for, you know how to subscribe to somebody on YouTube. You can also follow me on Instagram at metal_complex if you want. But really what I want you guys to do is just leave a comment down below. It can be anything. We've done in the past the video that got you to subscribe to my channel, your favorite video that I've ever uploaded, right? You can leave a comment like that. You can tell me about maybe something that you're looking forward to as we transition into 2021, right? I like to think of things as glass half full. I like to keep things positive. So that's what this video is all about. That's what the giveaway is all about. It's positivity. It's a way for me to say thank you, get people excited. That's what I want to do. All you need to do is leave a comment right down below. So what is the knife? What am I giving away? You're not going to find out. Until, in the spirit of the holiday season, you're not going to find out what this is until the morning of December 25th. Right? That's fun, right? There's so many people who are like, yeah, we want to be mad, but it's a giveaway, right? Don't be mad at me. Come on, it's more fun to not know until the morning arrives, right? So on the morning of December 25th, I will reveal the knife, and then I will do a drawing, a name drawing actually in the video. I'm going to be using Comment Picker, the YouTube version. A lot of you guys are familiar with that site. You can go play with it if you want to. Literally, you can go to Comment Picker. You can link the, just so everybody knows how it works, you can take the YouTube version of Comment Picker. You can take any YouTube video, throw it in there. It'll generate the comments, and you can filter duplicate users. That way, no matter how many times you guys comment down below, you only get one entry because the website filters duplicate comments. It'll load up the comments, and then you can click, pick a winner, and it chooses a random comment. It's completely and totally random. It's completely and totally fair. You don't have to be a patron of mine. You don't have to be a part of my membership program. You just need to have left a comment right down below, right? I want to make this fair and open for everybody. Again, as long as you're 18 and as long as you can give me a U.S. shipping address, right? But yeah, that's how we're going to do it. So I'll probably use the iPad or something like that. We might use the Mac, and I'll put the link in, pull up the comments, and we'll choose a winner in the video. And then I will make sure that person knows. Part of the reason I wanted to wait and reveal it, give it away after Christmas is because I don't want to ship anything right now. I just don't want to. Not a good time to ship something, so we'll make sure that we've cleared a lot of the holiday craziness before I actually ship this. But let me know if you guys are excited. I love giving knives away. It's one of my favorite things to do. I just love it. I know you guys are going to be super excited about this. This is a really nice knife, really, really cool, and it's just really, really exciting. Of course, if you guys have any questions, please let me know. Make sure you leave your comment down below. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you follow me on on Instagram at metal_complex. Make sure your notifications are turned on. What other YouTuber cliches can I throw in here? I don't know. Anyways, guys, thank you. Despite 2020 being an absolutely awful year, thank you so much for coming and interacting with me, bringing me daily joy, right? Thank you. Seriously. Guys, that's going to be pretty much it today. Hope you're excited. If you enjoyed this video or if you're excited to find out what this is, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.